Hey, good morning everyone. I want to go over the pre-market on October 28th. I'm having some technical difficulties, so I'm using a different laptop, so the screen may be a little bit fussy, but you just need to hear my voice because I'm not going to have anything show and display or graph of any kind anyway. So this one, investor fleeing the risk, dumping stocks and buying bonds. Core European economies like France could be on the verge of new lockdown due to COVID-19. Earnings expected like Visa, MasterCard, UPS, Bowling, Glue Science, Blackstone, and GE reporting results. Bowling has a loss of earnings per share of $1.39 versus consensus of $2.26, but fell short on revenue compared to the forecast. So despite better than the expected earnings, Bowling is still down slightly at the pre-market. ADP reported earnings of $1.41 versus forecast of $1, and revenue reported at $3.47 billion, which is higher than the estimate. The stock has gone up more than 6% in the pre-market. GE has a surprise of earnings per share of positive 6 cents versus consensus of a loss of 4 cents. Revenue also beat the estimate at $19.42 billion. The pre-market around 7.45 has a gain of 5% around at $7.49. Oil prices fell to a 3-week low in line with other risk assets, and the surge in coronavirus case across the northern hemisphere stoked fears of fresh demand destruction. Companies reporting before the bell, there are quite a number of gainers, but I'm just going to name a few. SMMP, symbol SNMP, rose 37.4% to $1.14 in pre-market trading, after surging over 40% on Tuesday. XSPA rose 31.1% to $2.57 in pre-market trading. It announced that it had expanded its testing services beyond COVID-19, and we now offer additional rapid testing service for other communicative diseases such as influenza and mono. USWS rose 15% to 37 cents in pre-market trading. I see the big one. Microsoft also beat the earnings and delivered very well due to the cloud computing services and taking advantage of the pandemic situation, which was reporting after the market yesterday. So what the Dow actually fell this morning significantly, like 500 points, which is like 2%, and S&P futures were also down 1.6%. While Nasdaq futures were down 146 points, 1.5%. This is the data around 7:45 Central Time this morning. So the data that to watch today is wholesale inventory, the goods trade balances, 5-year note auction, and weekly EIA crude oil inventory data. And again, like I said, last night video, if somebody watch it, I kind of predicted that this week will be a rough rate. It will be highly volatile, but the market most likely be down due to before the election. I have advised people to consider, if believing that the market will be down, buying the SDOW to hedge that Dow Industrial Average, and TECS to hedge against the Nasdaq. So the prices, obviously today the market is not pretty in pre-market, but sometimes it will changes over time. Tomorrow there will be again giant test will report on earnings, so you may changes the landscape or the games. Also again, I still recommend buying the China stock before it get too late. There's still momentum in the short term, gain a potential 5 to 10% over next month. If you like my video or what I just said, please subscribe and also click the bell for notification. When I upload any videos in the future, you'll be notified. Let me know again if any questions, send me an email. Thank you for your support.